Hi everyone, this is Olivia. Welcome to my class, and today I'm going to show you how to make serum at home. This is the important thing that we need to do before we start product making and make sure all clean. We only need this simple yet effective ingredient to make a basic serum. Active ingredient is the important ingredient in every product, so we need to practice and try more active ingredient to make the best product that we want. Make sure you have to calculate your ingredient correctly. This is the basic serum, and I hope you can learn and more practice to make the best serum that you want. And remember, practice make perfect. This is also the same step to make a facial mask, and you can add a little bit hyaluronic acid to make it more watery. I hope you enjoy my class and follow me on YouTube, Instagram and FB. Bye!